Hello, beautiful people. It is your girl, Linda Simpson, who that teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. How y'all guys doing? I am back. I am back. Before I teach y'all this line dance that they do everywhere, so you might as well learn it. It isn't that hard. It's very easy. I want to give a shout out to all those individuals that take time to leave me a comment. I want you to know that I appreciate you. You motivate me, you let me know that I'm on the right track. So keep those comments coming, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. So this next line dance is called Charlie Sheen. It's an easy line dance. It's upbeat, the music is up tempo, and it's a great workout. It moves counterclockwise. And before I do, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in getting up off the couch and moving, check out my cardio line dance class. Please call 504-251-0674. Is that it? I think that's it. Oh, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, share this video with someone, okay? Let's go. So I'm going to stand on this side right here. Okay, and like I said, that this line dance moves counterclockwise. So it is a four-wall dance. So when we start the dance over, we'll be here at this wall. Okay? So it starts with a rock, and as you rock, you're going to tap. And it's almost like diagonal. When we rock, we're not going to rock in this direction. We're not going to rock to the right. It's kind of like corner to corner, diagonal. So we rock. Tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Tap 8. So we step up on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Tap on the left so you can do the same thing on the left. Step forward and tap. Rock forward and tap. 1, 2, 3. Tap 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. So I did that quarter turn to my left. So I'm going to do this 4 times. Diagonal, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Tap 8 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And stay here. Okay? So this movement here, your weight is on the left and you go diagonal. You just rocking and tapping, okay? You're going to do it 4 times. 2 at this wall. When you finish at this wall here, you do a quarter turn to your left. And you stay there at that wall after you complete 2 more of those rocks and taps. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, tap 2, 3, tap 4, 5, tap 6, and 7, tap 8. So I went left, right, left. And I go up diagonal on the left, rock forward on the left. 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, quarter turn, and 7, tap 8. Again, step on the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right, left, tap right. And I'm here, I'm going to do it 2 more times, diagonal. Step up on the right, 1, tap 2, 3, tap 4, 5, tap 6, and 7, tap 8. And on the left, 1, tap 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. From here, we go to the right for 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, left, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Then you just do the shoulder, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. So we move to the right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let me see. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 to the right, 4 to the left. Okay, so let's add that. 5, 6, 7, rocking forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, so this part here moves forward. Tap, kick, tap, kick, move it up, right, left, tap, kick, move it out, back, right, left, dip, up. And that's dance. Okay? So let's put it together. And I'm going to give you the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 4. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the dance. Charlie Sheen by Ali James. Okay? So we go to the right, we go to the left, we do that quarter turn, go to the right, go to the left, go to the right for 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Tap, kick, move the shoulder. Right, left, right, left, right. Tap, kick, kick, tap, kick, right, left, dip. And start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 5, 6, 7, 8. And you see how it moves counterclockwise? I started here, I'm here, and it just moves around. When you come back to the front, it'll be the second rotation, and you keep it going. So that's Charlie Sheen. That's a classic. You're going to see it everywhere, especially after you see Star Wars. So let me know what you think. Did I teach you too fast, too slow? Do you understand? Let me know. Talk to me. What I'll do is I'll do the demo. I'll pin it at the end of this video so we can dance together. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.